Let's take a nice walk. Here we have an apple tree. In the 15 years I've been coming down this path, this is only the third year I've seen flowers on it. And this year has more flowers than I've ever seen. It is totally loaded. Hopefully a few fall off, because I think there's too many of them. Like 200 flowers. So I was thinking maybe to help it out. It made a few apples last year, but none of them were any good. They were just too many black spots. I'm gonna throw a couple of spikes in there. Fruit spikes around the tree. And see if that'll help it out. Maybe trim it up a little bit down by the base there. And maybe weed out some of the branches. There's a big dead piece right there. It's a big dead piece. Can't do nothing about that. And this tree's in the way. Can't really do nothing about that. But I can clean up around the bottom a little bit. Well, they say around fruit trees might be possible good place for morels. Although I've never found a single morel on this bike path. Although I did on the other side of the road, I seen they weren't morels. They were morels. Someone got to them before me. I saw the bottom parts of them. But I had never actually found a morel. Come on, Penny. But yeah. Beautiful and pink. I call it the third apple tree, because the other two closer to my place are up here. They're smaller. I've never seen any really good apples out of them. Although they made a few last year, they were just tiny black spots. Maybe I'll throw some spikes in there. I got a pack of 50 coming for my 2 peach trees that are full of flowers this year too. Let's see what other flowers we have. What are these called? What are these white ones called? They just recently popped out. What else we have? I'm gonna clean up the trash here shortly. Come on. There was some cool flowers. I forgot where they were though. Got all these little purple ones. Ground cover flowers. Popping out. There's a little pond back there. I think that business over there owns. Never seen anyone fishing it though. Some old farm property stuff. Let's see here. Cool. Any morels? Any morels? It's too early yet. We're not even in May. They're supposedly pop out as early as April, but I've personally never found one in April. Not till May, and usually closer to Mother's Day. is the best. But I'm looking because we had so much rain this year in the last few days. I'm just looking. I've just seen that pollinated woodpecker. Anything's possible, right? I'm like 100 years old, and that's the first time I've seen that woodpecker. It's huge, like 30 inches tall. Well, maybe not that big, maybe 20 inches tall. Keep going, Panty Poo. Oh. We're getting close to the first and the second apple tree. Come on, Penny. Nice little house there. There's some kind of structure off the railroad track. I tried a metal detector around it, but never found anything. There's some more trash I gotta clear. A whiskey bottle. Bunch of trash down there. I was gonna pull my truck up to it. Look at it. You know why it's a bunch there? Because when the snowplow comes, any trash from the parking lot gets pushed in there when the snow gets pushed in there. So each year it just keeps getting worse. Alright, here comes the second apple tree. Let's see if, I didn't even check to see if it had flowers. It's somewhere in here, I can't remember. I think, hold on, I think maybe this, they usually look old and dead. It might be dead. Might be really dead. I don't see no flowers. There's the path, because they would fall down into the path last year. Well, maybe this apple tree is not going to have apples this year. And there's another one that's like right here too. I don't see flowers on that one either. I don't even see where it's at. Maybe right there. I don't remember. They never did well. And I remember there was a couple years ago that I can't find. So either they died. They don't live forever. There's the bank. And there's that mansion, that guy, I tell you, stories of talk. There's like rumors this old man lives in that old building there, built in 1914. Some say he's crazy. He collects like sewing machines and stuff. Some say he owns almost 1 million of them. There's people that swear they've been in there. But he's a grumpy old man. He barely even talks to anybody. Every once in a while you see him walking by with the 6 sewing machines under his arms. And he's kind of a mystery, kind of quiet guy. Has a cute little dog though. Look at that mansion. Look at the size of it compared to that ginormous truck. Compared to that 2025 Dodge Ram that he owns. He must have one happy dog, that's for sure. I bet you that guy has one happy dog. A happy dog. That guy. Some say he has to move like 100 machines from point A to point B today. That's the rumor. Point A to point B. Can he do it?